So I'm gonna do a quick explanation of all the work we've have done so far here at Solid Rock Church. Somewhere around here. I'll take you inside in a minute, but I'm trying to do a quick rundown of what's been done so far. Somewhere around here, maybe a little bit over there, the church was pretty much sinking down that way. And the contractors that are working here started slowly raising church. And you know what they're doing? We had a engineer, a dirt engineer and soil engineer, and they know what had to be done. They did a little bit of research as to what was the causes and how are we gonna be able to fix this. Let me grind this up a little. So as you see, they had to dig a little just to be able to get those off. All these jacks, and they were using hydraulic jacks to raise the church up. And this is what they've done so far. They've got to check with my pastor, but it was around, I think 5 inches or a little bit over 5 inches, maybe more. I gotta check with them that they've been able to raise this. The foundation. The church was sinking. As you see, they already covered up the dirt. It used to go deeper. I don't know if you can see those the metal stuff that connects to that pole. They put those in there about 25, 30 feet going down. That's not the only two you see there. There's way more, a couple more along. And they were all going up hydraulically to be able to evenly raise up the church. They already put the dirt back, but it was all opened up. And you can see from about here where the dirt here, see that dirt cracking, separating as they were raising the church. This back here, this has always been the pulpit area right there. That's always been this is the door I came in through. Went around, turn on the lights. And back here has always been the rear. That's the part that was sinking. Here, there used to be a wall right from this beam. And they used to divide the church from the entrance lobby into the church this way. Now, this is how much has been raised. It's been raised quite a bit. And on the inside, you see it a lot better. You see it a lot better right here. That's the difference that it went up. What still needs to be done is they're gonna take out, I'm not sure how much dirt they're gonna pull out from here. It's all gonna be pulled out because they're trying to compress the dirt and then slowly add more dirt and keep compressing the dirt. So this is part of the things that need to be done to make sure that you see the cracked soil from the moisture, how it's been. And we're trying to, the engineer along with the contractors saw that it was necessary to bring all this dirt back down. I don't know how many feet, how many inches down, and compress it again. And this is so that it doesn't sink again, ever again. But as you see, this is what we've done so far, and we need your help. And we have a lot of dreams for this church, for our congregation. All these walls are gonna be, if you see that picture, that's where the baptistry really is. That wall back there is gonna be the lobby wall between this being the church. So all this is gonna be torn down. That wall should match this wall right behind that piano. So all this stuff is gonna be brought down. Up to this wall. This is that entrance to that baptistry. There's that picture drawing. You guys would see. You see, there's a lot of work that needs to be done. That's why we're asking for help. This is legitimate, and we believe one way or another, God will provide for all the work that needs to be done, because He promised us this church. We're just trying to do our part. So up to some wall right here, over to that door over there. It's gonna be kind of something like the entrance to the lobby of our church now. This is the kitchen, as you see. That used to be of the old church that used to be here before us. Once we purchased their building from. We're back here. We need a lot of work. A lot of work needs to be done. This is what we're trying to collect, what we're asking for your help for. You see, nothing is for any one individual. It's all for the church, for our church members now, and for our church members to come even after us. This is what we're, if you can unite with us and see the vision, and if you have the ability to be able to help, we would greatly appreciate it.